It is a massive sell-off on Wall Street right on the heels of Trump's sweeping tariffs. The markets have dropped 4% right now, putting it on track for the worst day since September of 2022, down 1,300 points right now as you take a look at this live on the big board at noon. Thanks for being with us here on our Thursday. I'm Jeff Hogan.
And I'm Michelle McConaughey in for Renee Chu. A lot of us are worried about what this might mean for our investments and retirement funds. And WRAL's Laura Leslie joins us live. And Laura, you just spoke with a certified financial planner who basically said, don't panic.
Michelle, that's right. Ben Mitchum has been doing this for 35 years, so he's definitely seen his share of market turbulence. He says don't be too quick to react to it. But he also says he hasn't seen a financial environment exactly like this one because of the uncertainty that comes with the tariffs imposed yesterday by President Donald Trump. Mitchum says downturns like this can be a good opportunity to buy stocks at a lower rate, and that's part of what helps the market stabilize over time. But he says the combination of inflation, global political instability, and tariffs might discourage some people who otherwise might take advantage of the downturn to get stocks at a discount, and that could spell trouble for financial growth in the near future.
Unfortunately, there's a lot of volatility, a lot of uncertainty. A lot of clients I know and talk about, what prices have gone up already. And, I think a lot of people are worried about spending money. And that's not good for the economy, or the GDP is not, it doesn't help.
Mitchum said the best thing you can do is to look carefully at the way that your portfolio is set up and make sure that it's balanced well between stocks and fixed income assets like bonds and CDs. A financial planner can help you make sure you have the right balance allocation. Mitchum said bad markets do always turn around eventually, but it may take some time to get there. He said right now there's just too much uncertainty to predict exactly when that's going to happen. Laura Leslie, WRAL News, live in Raleigh.
And we also asked NC State economist Mike Walden for his advice on how to deal with the uncertainty. And he said, we can never predict the market's movements. Hence, I recommend doing nothing. You can be in the stock market, but I would recommend a diversified portfolio of safe bonds and index funds that allow you to spread your money among many investments.